Hello, welcome. Another episode on the NOV-DEC 2024 Core Mathematics Objective Test question. This question is question number 23. I guess you can be able to provide answer to this under application of what? Trigonometry. Pause the video, answer it, and come back for the correction. The shadow of a police officer, which is 1.8 meters tall, is 1.6 meters. What is the angle of elevation of the sun observed from the horizontal ground? So let's make a sketch of what that is going to be. So let's see, this is our ground. So the police officer is standing here. What is the height of the police officer? 1.8 meters. And is casting a shadow. So the shadow will be cast on the ground. And that shadow is going to be 1.6 meters, right? Now we have to find the angle of elevation. We have to look at the point that angle of elevation is the angle formed above a horizontal line. So if there's a horizontal line, the angle formed above it, as is raising your eye level above a horizontal line. So if you are saying that this is the ground, where would the sun be? Would the sun be at the position of the man, or behind the man, or be in front of it, the police officer? If it is here, then the shadow will be cast behind. But if the sun is here, the shadow will be cast in front. So this is where the observation is taking place. So we are observing from here the sun. So we can say that the sun will be in line with the police officer. So if we connect this, we can be looking for this very angle that is formed on top of that horizontal line. So this is the opposite side, the adjacent. So I'll just say that the tan of the angle equals to the opposite divided by the adjacent. Remember the SOHCAHTOA that we did? So if we have SOHCAHTOA, because we are making use of the opposite and the adjacent, tan will become the preferred trig ratio. But we are looking for theta. So theta equals to the tan inverse of 1.8 divided by 1.6. So we put that in our calculator. And that will be giving us 48.3664. But we are going to leave our answer in one decimal place, just like the options are being given. So this will become 48.1 decimal place approximation 4 degree. And that will be the option D as the preferred option. So I guess you side with me by the diagram and getting to the point where the angle of elevation will be 48.4. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.